Welcome, Mr. Sailesh Singhani, who is a national convener for the exhibitions at GJPC and especially now heading the IAGS Virtual, the first virtual big show by the GJPC. Sailesh bhai, welcome to the AOJ Talk of the Day show. So tell us now, how is it? The countdown has started. The industry is very keenly looking forward to the IAGS Virtual show. Give us a perspective in terms of how many exhibitors, how many visitors, and what to expect from the show.
So thank you, first of all, Sumesh bhai, for having me over here with you. I should say it is my pleasure that I am interviewing with Sumesh bhai. So it is a good thing. So starting with IIJS Virtual. So the idea of virtual is, of course, that necessity is mother of, so because of the necessity that there is no physical show happening, and that is why we had to think something else, and that's how the virtual was born, and that is how we are now trying to execute this show. If you look at the stats, we have 335 exhibitors, and they are only pure gem and jewelry exhibitors. There is no allied section, there is no machinery section, there is no press, no nothing. It is pure gem and jewelry and nothing else. So between these, if you divide broadly the 335, you can say we have gold sections. We have two gold sections, which is approximately somewhere around about 150 to 155 companies who are participating in gold. We have approximately some 90 companies which are participating in diamond studded and platinum studded gold jewelry. And then we have bridal and couture jewelry, which is approximately a good strength of something around about another 60, 70 people. And then the 30 people are from the loose section, which is the loose diamonds, loose gemstones, some silver jewelry. So like that, we have got a complete 5 sections. So we have 5 halls. We call it halls, and from that halls we are, seeing this thing. So we have done categorically all the 5 halls.
Right. And what is the kind of feedback you're getting from the visitors and also from the exhibitors in terms of getting used to this new technology and navigation? Are they, all fine with this, or you have some training sessions going on? And how is your challenges on this?
We have done plenty of training sessions. I have personally conducted, I would say, roughly 8 to 9 meetings myself, and I would have to recommend or commend this thing that, not recommend, but commend this thing that all my 335 party exhibitors have been very, very cooperative with me, and they understand that I'm working with lot of limitations and lot of time limitations also. So when I tell them that no, boss, I can't do this thing this year, I'll give you a small example that in our program, we do not have a chat box. So when you and I are talking, I cannot do chatting at the same time, typing at the same time on when we are talking. So we had not envisaged that you need to have a chat box inside, because you are already face to face. Whatever you have to say, you are saying. So the envision was not there of chatting. So, but some people said, sir, sometimes it so happens that whatever people are not able to say face to face, they somehow manage to type it out and say it. So he says, maybe sometimes the style numbers, the product codes, all those things that can also be put into chat. So, okay, now the program is already designed and the architecture is already been built. Now to go ahead and put another chat inside it is very difficult. But then when I said, this is not possible this time, we will do it some next time. So people are understanding. So I've just given you one small example like that. So like this, that way I have to say that all my exhibitors have been very cooperative and very nice, and they understand that it is the first time for council also, and they are cooperating. There is some good news also, and the good news is like this, that we have opened up for the visitors to come in the show and look at the show and look at all the 335 stalls. They can go into anybody's stall. They can search. We have 2 search engines. So they can search by the company name or they can search by product or product type. And
Right.
once they search and they find the person, they can go and see his catalog. And if they like what they see, they can ask to see more pictures. So we have a limitation that anybody can only see up to 25 pictures of an exhibitor. If
Hmm.
they want to see beyond 25 pictures, they have to ask for exhibitor's permission. When the exhibitor will give you the permission, then only you can go and see more pictures.
Yeah, yeah.
So that way, so I got when I was just now before 1 hour only with all my exhibitors, one of them got up and told me that sir, I didn't want to participate in the show, but somehow some friends and partly GJEPC convinced me to participate. So I participated very small with only one booth and only 100 pictures download I have kept. He says I've opened it. I put all my 100 pictures on the program, and I got a call. He got a request from one Guwahati shop in yesterday, and so he opened up his remaining 75 pictures also for the Guwahati shop. The Guwahati shop saw all the 100 pictures, called him up in the night, spoke to him, fixed up his price over a phone call only.
Oh,
And by morning, today morning, the man had RTGS in his bank account that I have sent you this much value of RTGS. All these pieces now are mine. You cannot sell it to anybody else. I am booking it pre-show only for you.
oh
The
wow.
man called us up and said, I never expected something like this from a virtual show. He says, I had no idea who is this guy from Guwahati. I had only heard about his shop. I had not done any business with him previously. He also doesn't know me, but he liked my product so much. He has already paid me money for those products. He says, you can show it in the show, and after the show gets over, you ship it to me.
Right. This is a very encouraging news
Very,
you've
very
shared with
encouraging.
us. That this
Very
is what we
encouraging.
need at this point of time, the business to come. And coming to those appointments, Shailesh Bhai, as we understand that it is going to be a 1 hour appointment slot
Yes.
for every buyer and seller
Yes.
together. And how is that process? Has it started already? What is
Oh,
the
yes,
response
yes,
for the
yes, yes,
appointment?
yes. The process has started every day. Every day appointments are being taken. People are visiting. So as of yesterday, we had somewhere around about 891 people who visited the show. We get a
Right. No, but actual that appointments will materialize during the
no,
show
no, no, no. You can
dates.
fix up your appointments today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow.
Oh, the show is on,
The
you mean
show
to say
show
right
is
now?
not on. You can fix up the appointment for between from 12th to 16th.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that meetings are fixed for the 12th. The actual meeting will happen during that
Yes, yes.
duration.
But you take an appointment of a doctor or a lawyer, so now you
Right.
have to take an appointment of the person who is selling the goods to you, kind of a thing. Because
Great.
otherwise it will be all a chaos. It will be like a jungle. You don't know who's free, who's not free.
No, no, I appreciate
Yeah,
that's a very good
yeah. So
thing you have done. That it is filtered and it is by
by
appointment,
appointments and everything.
and that's everybody's prepared. So going forward, seeing the encouraging response as you mentioned, and people getting used to this virtual thing, any future plans from IHS going forward?
So we, as council, have already declared a date of January for the next physical show.
Okay.
Okay.
What are the dates, Shailesh bhai?
Dates are, I think, between 7th and 14th, something like that. It is. We have
Okay.
okay, and we will see how is the situation in the market at that time. How is the COVID situation in the country? Are people willing to travel? Not willing to travel? Are we getting the venue? We are not getting the venue. So there are a lot of ifs and buts. All these things
Right.
we will start putting it together by November. And by middle of November, we should know that whether we are doing the show, physical show, or not doing the physical show. Even if government gives us a permission and if the venue is available, even if we do the physical show, I think this time around with the physical, we'll also keep the virtual because maybe we will do the physical, but maybe people will not be able to travel. So if people are not able to travel, then how are they supposed to see the merchandise? So we will have physical with virtual at the same time. So the new terminology for that is physical. The
Physical,
new
yeah.
is the terminology for a physical and a virtual together is
It's a
called as
combination of both, right?
both. Yes.
What you're
So
looking at.
we will, yeah. So we will be doing a physical show if it is possible, And if not possible, that physical is possible, not possible only to do because government permissions are not given, then we'll have to do virtual only.
Right. So last thing, Saraj bhai, tell us what's happening in the market in terms of upcoming festival season. Any trends? You are to also a leading diamond jewelry manufacturer in domestic market and exports. So in
Yeah.
domestic market, what is a trend you are seeing for the coming season?
So let me put it to you this way: the product is becoming lighter by the day.
Okay.
Okay, so the weights are coming down.
Uh,
One of the key reasons is, of course, the gold price. So the demand is very much there for the lighter products, and there are enough customers out there who are buying. People are getting ready for the season. That means people are expecting a good season to come into play. My factory itself is busy. For the amount of workers we have enough work, and we
Great.
will have enough work till Diwali. That much work is already there in my factory. So for the amount of workers, which is only 50% of the actual strength that we have enough work with us. And there is, but of course, as I said, that the product is becoming lighter by the day. So it is more and more lighter, more and more lighter. A,
Right.
a 20
Lighter,
gram
ultra lighter, feather
I,
lighter.
like whatever adjectives you can put before the light
Right.
one, you can put it, and so
Right. Right.
yes,
Great.
but
It was so wonderful talking to you and wishing you all the very best for the IHS virtual. And
thank you,
we will connect soon during the show, the virtual show.
thank you, Mr. Thank you very much.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
for.
Thank you.